friend, welcome to the studio. I am so excited you're here because today we're drawing two different sports balls that are kind of similar to draw. We're gonna draw a baseball or softball and a tennis ball. You ready? Let's do it. The reason I thought it'd be a good idea to draw these two things at the same time today is because the lines on a baseball and softball are very similar to the lines on a tennis ball. If we look at it from this perspective, they both have that U shape in their stitching. And if we turn it, they both look like they have lines going straight up and down. Let's draw a baseball and a tennis ball from both of these perspectives together. A softball is the biggest of these balls, but it has the same lines as a baseball. Baseball is going to be a middle size, and the tennis ball is going to be the smallest one. So we'll draw our baseball over here. And then a tennis ball, a little bit smaller. Baseballs can be a lot of colors, but usually they're white with red stitching, so I'm gonna go in with a red marker right away. I'm gonna draw a line that curves in, sort of like a backwards letter C, and then a line that curves in this way, like a regular letter C. The stitching on a baseball all goes the same direction, but because it makes that U shape, it's going to look from this perspective like it turns around. Watch. I'm gonna start drawing little V's. But because on this side of the baseball that we can't see, it's gonna make a loop, they're actually gonna turn around on this side and start pointing up instead of down. Check it out. Pointing down and then pointing up. When we turn the ball, we're gonna get this different perspective. So let's draw that. This is just kind of like a letter U. Start your V's all going the same way, and they'll turn themselves as you go down the line. Cool! Now for the tennis ball. The lines on a tennis ball are a little less curved in, so when you're drawing it from this perspective, you can actually just draw two lines pretty much straight down. When you turn a little bit, you're gonna draw a U without as much curve as the baseball. Let's color these in. And there you have it, how to draw a baseball or softball and how to draw a tennis ball. I think this was a real home run, don't you? I love it. I love making art with you, joking with you, and just hanging out. If you want to make, watch, create more things with me, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Kylee Makes It. Kylee, that's me. And I'll see you next time.